Well, I'm back at the Camry. The brakes are all looking in good shape. I just did the pads recently enough that they're nice and fat, so I have no question that's all good. All I gotta do is lift this bad boy up a little bit, throw a wheel on it, and we're there. Well, that's probably more than high enough. This is how long it should take you if you're on the side of the road to change the tire. Use the carpet, the middle layer of padding, I guess I should say, for yourself to lay on. There's two little spots notched into the frame here, or body, or whatever the hell you want to call it, that'll give you the exact right spot to lift. And if there's a knot or root or something, you got to adjust your jack accordingly. Do so. Okay, jack's not going anywhere. Loosen up your nuts. This was just put on as a spacer last night to keep the car from falling over. Safety first. A little more. Oh, that's plenty. That's plenty. Plenty, plenty, plenty. I probably change, I don't know, at least, I would say 10 tires a year. This year I've probably already done on off at least 10 wheels. Seems like it's never ending with tires for me. Okay, so this is now my spare. It's a semi-good tire that's fairly new and fresh. I'm not even gonna look at the date because I don't give a shit. Brake inspection. Everything here looks nice, fat, and clean. No leaks, no drips. Nothing screaming at me. Repair. So, new tires should solve all my problems. There's all different ways to do this. You can use two hands, you can spin it with a tire iron, whatever you're more comfortable with. And of course, some people have those four-way lug nut wrenches. Those make it real easy to spin. I'm just not going to waste my money on something I don't need. And I made sure all these tires had wheel weights on them, so I know they balanced them even if I don't see wheel weights on the front. Ooh. So, nothing under the car. Always like to check that for the last drop. You don't want to leave a jack or a block or something underneath and tear out your muffler, or worse even. There we go, got it down so it'll fit in the little compartment. Tighten these up to spec. Click. Click. It's nice if you can put your back into it and feel like you're actually lifting the car a little. And if you're not sure, just take yourself around one more time. Make sure you got everything. That bad boy's on. Okay. Well, that's it. I got good rubber. I got a reasonable spare that's fairly fresh. And I think I'll be ready to go.